channels.
Here, Home Farm Ideas, and today my wife's gonna hold the camera. Today I'm gonna be feeding these chickens some roly-polies. Found out they love them. Come on, chicks. Come on. They just don't see them yet over here. Chickies, come on. There you go. Which one of them's the pig? There we go. Go ahead, eat. I think that one's the pig, the one that's chirping.
No, I think it's the one that's carrying it.
No, it's that one over there.
Yeah.
Oh, big one, big roly-poly.
That's the one I got. It was you.
Come on, chicks.
Uh-oh.
Rain, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yay! Come on, chicks. They're being chickens today. That one eats them like crazy. That one down here. Come on, roly-poly, get him. Ooh. One of them just eats the roly-polies like crazy.
Red's just pecking at it and going away.
Oh. So this is day 2 out here with my new little chickens. I'm not sure really how old they are because I haven't asked the guy in the store, but basically they're probably about 4 inches tall if their neck's not stretched out. If the neck's stretched out, they're probably about, I don't know, 7 inches, 8 inches tall. Maybe less. Probably like 7 inches at the most. So, anyways. Chick. Come on. Look at all those roly-polies in the cup. There you go. This one here, chicken nugget number 1, eats roly-polies like crazy. And kills them apparently. Without eating them. So anyway, I thought I'd share this day with you guys. So anyway, God bless, and get some chickens. They're fun. They actually have a little like personality. So anyway, watch. Chick. Come on. See? They know who. They think I'm their mom. It's hilarious. I'm the most unattractive mother they've ever seen. But I bring food. Not always food they like, but sometimes. So anyways, let's watch them for a second. They're fighting over roly-polies. I mean, how cool is that? Excuse me. Watch, let's see if they'll follow me. Come on, chick. Now watch. Let's see if I can call them out here. Come on, babies. Come on. Get over here, you brats. All right, let's try over here where they want to go. Come on, babies. Come on. See? They're like my children that listen.
Hey.
Come on, chick. No? You've had enough of me? Anyway, have a good day, everybody.